Hey guys, it's Raj, the Keto Coach from myketocoach.com, and today I'm going to do a quick review on the Keto Brownie. I was talking to the guys over at Keto Brownie, and they sent me some samples to do a review on. And what this really is, it's a perfect solution for those who have a sweet tooth that are following a ketogenic diet. I work with a lot of people, getting them keto adapted, getting them a ketogenic lifestyle. And one of the biggest things I hear is, I have a sweet tooth, what can I eat? And most people don't want to go through the recipe of making their own brownies or their own snacks. So this is a perfect solution. I've had it for a couple of days now just to try the different ones, and I can honestly say they taste amazing, they taste fresh. And who this product really is for, it's optimal obviously for keto dieters and also anybody doing low carb, high fat, which is essentially keto. They taste great, they're soft, they're chewy. They keep you within ketosis because the macronutrients in it are like perfect. They're great for on the go, and the low net carb. So you can see right on the package here, I'm going to try to stretch this out. 13 gram fat, 9 gram protein, 6 net carbs. They really did a good job. The creator of this product actually follows a ketogenic lifestyle. He was making brownies for himself, and as time passed, he ended up getting it manufactured, and now here it is today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over. Actually, I'll talk about, there's two kinds. There's the chocolate almond brownie, and then there's this one, the blondie brownie. And I'll open both of these, which now I'm going to have to eat them, but that's okay. So I'll flip this over, and you can take a look at the nutritional label. Should be clear on here. You can see total fat, 13 grams, cholesterol, 3 grams, nothing. Total carbs is 21, but look, 12 grams from fiber. So as we know, net carbs means what is not going to impact your blood sugar. So it does have 21 grams, but 12 grams of that is fiber, and fiber doesn't impact your blood sugar. And so that's why we come down to 6 grams. And the protein here is 9 grams. So you can see the ingredients. Like, that's one thing I like about it. It has wholesome ingredients in it. I'll try to bend this up. So here you can see some of the great things that I love here: prebiotic fiber, almond butter. It has a protein blend of a whey isolate, so that's obviously where the 9 grams is coming from, mostly probably. Almonds, unsweetened chocolate chips, cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is awesome. I have to do a review just on that alone. And sea salt, coconut oil, and a dash of monk fruit. I assume that's just to sweeten it up a little bit. It does have nuts in it, but obviously because this one's almond. But other than that, amazing product. So let me open this up and show you the goodness inside this thing. I'm going to open it up. Because, a lot of prepackaged things, you worry about the taste, you worry that it's dry and chalky. This thing is not. So it's amazing. Like, we need smell-o-vision. YouTube needs to invent that, and taste-o-vision. So you can see here, it's really, really soft. It tastes fantastic. And, you will definitely not be disappointed with this product. I'll open up the other one too, so you can see. Let me move this. So this one here has chocolate chips in it. So, and you can see, like, they don't cheap out on the chocolate chips. There's quite a few in here. Again, very soft, great size snack, and definitely highly recommend this product. It tastes so good. Now, how much does it cost? So right now it's only available in the US. So I'm in Canada, but most of my customers are in the US. And let me just put this here. So it is available only in the US, but hopefully they're going to be expanding to Canada soon, because I know, including myself and many of my Canadian customers, would love it, have it in Canada. It's at $29 a box. So, but what you can do is, if you get it on their subscription, which I would recommend, you automatically save, I think it's 15%. So it brings it down to $25 a box, which means $2 a bar. $2 a bar is totally manageable for a healthy snack that keeps you in ketosis, that keeps you full, bumps up your fat a little bit, and tastes great. So for me, this is a big win, this product. I'm going to do a review on my website. That's where you may be seeing this video, or you might be seeing it on YouTube. But I'm going to put a link below the video where you can purchase, or where you can read my review as well. And I would love, if you purchase it, I would love for you to leave a review on my site about it. All right, guys, take care, and let me know if you have any questions. myketocoach.com/Keto Brownie is where you can find out more. Take care.